In this session, we will study about the geometric mean between two numbers. So let us see the geometric mean between two numbers. Let the numbers are let the numbers are A and B. We have to find out the geometric mean between two numbers and B. So we see here A comma geometric mean, then B. By the definition of geometric progression, we see the first term T1 is A, T2 is GM geometric mean, and T3 is B. So by the definition of geometric mean, we know that T2 upon T1 is equal to T3 upon T2. So we see here T2 is GM and T1 is A and T3 is B and T2 is GM. So what we will do here, we will cross multiply this, or we will get GM square is equal to AB. By taking the square root of both the sides, we will get GM is equal to square root of AB. So in this way, we could easily find out the geometric mean between two numbers through this formula. Now we see one small example. Let find geometric mean between four and 9. So we know that geometric mean is equal to square root of 4 and 9, which is 36, and the square root of 36 is 6. So geometric mean would be 6. Here A is 4 and B is 9. So in this way, we could put the value here, or we could easily find out the geometric mean between two numbers. Now let us see more things about the geometric mean. Here we see the insertion of n geometric mean between two numbers. Insertion of n geometric mean between A and B. Here I write the term in this way. The first term is A, then geometric mean first, geometric mean 2, geometric mean 3, geometric mean 4, and so on up to n geometric mean we will write here Gn, and the last term would be B. Let us see, this is the first term T1, this one is T2, this one is T3, T4, T5, and so on. Here you see, if G1 there is T2, here is 1, here is 2. 2 there is 3 in T3. G2 there is T3. The value of T4 is G3. So value of the term, the value of Gn would be T n plus 1. One more than this, because the 4 here 5, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1 greater than that. So here we will get Tn plus 2. So in this way we will get the total number of terms we have. Total number of terms is n plus 2. So by the general term formula, we know that general term formula Tn is equal to a r power n minus 1. This is the general term formula we know. Therefore we have the last term Tn plus 2. We have to put instead of T, Tn plus 2. First term is a, we have to put here a, and the r we have to put the same way r, and instead of n we have to put n plus 2, because here is n instead of n we have to put n plus 2, and this minus 1 we will put here. So we will get T n plus 2 is equal to a r power n plus 1. We know the value of Tn plus 2. Value of Tn plus 2 we know already. Value of Tn plus 2 is b. So we will put here b. Now b upon a is equal to a r power, sorry, just a moment, b upon a is equal to r power n plus 1. We have cross multiply a to other side, the left side, and here we get b upon a. If we transfer the power to other side, it will be in denominator 1 upon n plus 1 is equal to r. So that this way we could easily find out the r through this formula, and putting r we could easily find out the geometric mean, and geometric mean easily we can find it out. Because how we will find it out? Because G1 which is T2 is equal to G1, or T2 is equal to AR. So we will get AR. T3 is equal to G2 is equal to AR square. So that this value we will find out the R first, then put the R here. We could easily find out the geometric mean and geometric mean insert between two numbers. Let us take an example regarding this. Let us see a problem regarding the geometric mean, insertion of geometric mean. Insert 3 geometric mean between 3 and 760 height. So we see given a is equal to 3, we have b is equal to 768, we have, and n is equal to 3 we have, because we know that R is equal to B upon A whole power 1 upon n plus 1. Therefore, R is equal to B is 768 and A is 3 and n is 3 plus 1 implies R is equal to 256. How we will get 256? I will explain you. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, or 3 6s are 18. So R is equal to 256 whole power 1 by 4. Here R is equal to 4 power 4 is equal to 256 1 by 4. Here again both powers will eliminate, or we will get implies to R is equal to 4. Now we have got 4 here. Let us see how we will get the G1, G2, G3. We know that T2 is equal to G1, which is equal to A into R. Therefore, T2, which is G1, is equal to A we have 3 and R we have 4, which is equal to 12. Again, because T3 is equal to G2, second geometric mean, which is AR square. Therefore, T3 is equal to G2, which is 3 into 4 square is equal to 3 into 16 is equal to 48. Now, because T4, which is G3, geometric mean third, 3 into 4 cube, 3 into 64 is equal to 192. So in this way we could easily find out the geometric mean between two numbers and geometric mean between two numbers, or finally we got the answer 12, 48, 192. So this is the answer for this sort of problem. We could easily solve through this formula. R is equal to B upon A 1 upon n plus 1.